Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to start or how to create group chat in Teams. So open the Microsoft Teams app on your device, then navigate to the chat tab from the left hand menu, just like so. Next, click on the new chat button. So this one, this pencil icon right here, click on that. Now this one appears. So in the to field, you can enter the names, email, or phone number or phone numbers of the participants you want to include in the group chat. So for example, let me select this one right here, this one. So I'm gonna type in their name. So once done, click on this R right here at the right side and group name will appear. So name your group in here. Once done, click on enter. Click on the message box or click on anywhere and the group chat will be created. Now, if you want to rename the group chat, click on the pencil icon at the top to rename it. So click on that and rename your group and click on save. So to add more participants later, click on the add people button. So click on this person icon right here at the right side, then click on add people. So enter their name, email, or phone number and click on add to add them. So if you want to customize the group, like changing the group photo or muting notifications, click on the group header at the top left and explore the available options. So click on this one. So from here, you can choose a group picture, you can choose emojis, or you can upload your own picture. Then click on save, and that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.